Police in Florida are dealing with an hour-long standoff. Armed robber Charles Watson is concealing a taser gun in his pocket. It's a tense situation.
Get down!
Officer Brian De Los Santos is mindful of the primary school across the road. They can't let the suspect get anywhere near it.
Don't move!
School was in session, it was daytime, and I knew then we couldn't let him go.
The officer and his canine, Dragon, are ready in case he tries to bolt.
Right at the last second, when I thought it was going to be over, he all of a sudden decided to run.
But he doesn't run very far. The dog tags his man.
It was a perfect application of the canine. By using the dog, we were able to catch him where we wanted him, when we wanted him, and nobody got hurt.
Well, no innocent victims anyway. The man is disarmed and his dog day afternoon is done. He's convicted of 4 separate crimes. He should have known that in a 2-legged race, you can't beat the 4-legged law.
It was dog him or kill him, and we dogged him.